Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will discuss the problem sum of first n number. Suppose we have the value of n is 3. So our task is basically we print 6 because 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. So I hope you understand the problem. So let's write the pseudocode for this question. We can solve this question using recursion. So we have a function which is integer type and take the value n. Our task is basically to complete the function and simply return the value of sum. So we initialize one sum variable which is initially 0 and we check our base condition. If n is less than 1, then we simply return sum. Now we calculate the value of sum equal to sum plus n, and we decrease the value of n. So I hope you understand this line of code. We quickly dry run this code for your better understanding. Suppose the value of n is 3. So initially sum is 0 and 3 is less than 1. No, false. So we cannot execute this line of code and we calculate the value of sum and sum equal to 0 plus 3. So what is the value of sum? Now sum will be 3 and decrease the value of n. So n will be 2. Now we decrease the value of n. So n become 2. We again call function and we again check the condition. 2 is less than 0. No. So we cannot execute this line of code and simply calculate the sum. And the value of sum is 3 and 3 plus n. The value of n is 2. So sum will be 5. So we updated sum here. And now we decrease the value of sum. Now we decrease the value of n. So n will become 1. And again we call the function. We check the condition. 1 is less than 1. No. False. So we cannot execute line of code and we again calculate the value of sum. So the value of sum is 5 and we add the value of n and the value of n is 1. So 5 and 1 is 6. So our sum will become 6. Now we again decrease the value of n and n is 0. Now we again call the function because we use recursion. So we check the condition. 0 is less than 1. Yes, it is true. So we simply return sum and our sum will be 6. I hope you understand this problem. Thank you.